My name is Nevin Tиквица, and I am a proud member of international sales team of HENSOLDT. Having that position, I am responsible to support all the development, business development and sales activity in the Central and Eastern Europe region. Well, we are talking about RPGs, rocket-propelled grenades. We are talking about anti-tank guided missiles. So those are the threats on which normally self-protection should provide protection from. The first one is that whatever new subsystem we put on the platform, it doesn't degrade the functionality of the platform itself, which means concrete and correct weight, size, and of course power consumption, because we don't want to degrade functionality of any other subsystem already fitted on the vehicle. Also, self-protection, it has to be very good equipment to detect on time, to identify and to track the potential threat. And of course, what customer likes very much is to have a system which is scalable, which is also quite appreciated in terms of financial scheme of the investment for such a kind of installation and integration. Okay, so MUS is a HENSOLDT solution for the self-protection system for the armed vehicle, meaning that it has two kinds of sensors to detect a potential incoming threat. One type of sensor is a missile warning, and the other is laser warner included. And then we have two kinds of countermeasures. So one is a laser jammer, which can rotate 360 degrees in order to be sure that we can detect and we can jam the threat coming, and a smoke dispenser, directional smoke dispenser, and depending on the threat approaching to the vehicle, those countermeasures are in an automatic regime activated. So Bulgaria, as a European Union member and also NATO member, has a key role in securing the region in a military and security point of view. Also, being part of NATO, many standards has to be followed in terms of interoperability with other NATO nations in case of common or mutual operation. In that case, the NATO standard is actually a key task for every NATO member, especially the new NATO members, where we do have a different technologies from the past, from the history, to be upgraded. And this is exactly where Bulgaria is doing a great job. So they started the modernization project, the modernization program, overall modernization program, where the old platforms, flying platforms, ground platforms, whatever, if can be reused to be equipped with the NATO standardized equipment, like for example self-protection, like radar system, especially when it comes to IFF, interrogator, friend or foe, mode 5, and so on. So basically, in that regards, Bulgarian army is doing a great job. Moving towards the point to meet all the NATO requirements. So, for example, in Bulgaria, we did organize several meetings, presentations, demonstrations, and even more. We organized, earlier this year, we have organized a business event exactly for the reason to introduce HENSOLDT, what we do, how we do it, and also to get more information about local industry. And the event, I have to say, was a perfect success, because we met so many good companies, very high quality companies with the huge history behind, that can actually fulfill not only the needs of this specific project in Bulgaria, but also can fully fit into our supply chain needs, like I said, for other projects worldwide.